Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by collecting sticky notes, pens, and a planner so you can act immediately. Grab 3 colors and 2 sizes to separate functions. Start with the first topic. Label a 3x3 in the top left of your notebook and write one clear learning objective. Once done, add a 2x2 with a single question to trigger review. This keeps your study flow focused and makes retrieval practice simple and fast. You now place sticky notes strategically so your brain maps information visually. Use margins for facts and the top for learning goals. Make connections by drawing arrows and numbering related notes to form a chain of thought. This shows how one idea leads to the next. Once linked, rewrite any long point into a concise 8-12-word summary on a larger note so you can scan quickly and recall the structure during revision. You finish by running a quick 5-10-minute review each day, moving mastered sticky notes to a done section and keeping active ones visible. This spaced practice improves retention. Make sure to refine, merge duplicates, rewrite unclear phrases, and update priorities weekly so your system stays lean. If notes begin to fall off, clean the surface and restick, or secure with a bit of washi tape. This fixes the common issue and preserves your study layout.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.